I'm going to give an overview now of the RSSI signal strength meter from CAMSAT. Basically, it's a TCO meter from CAMSAT to help you line up their TCO units, which will be wirelessly sending signal, over a distance of, some of the units are 1.5 or 3 kilometer units, or it could be distance shorter than that. But basically what it's trying to do is take out the guesswork and give you an exact percentage reading. So as you adjust the receiver unit, you'll know exactly what direction to point it and to maximise the chance of having a good signal. So you can see anyway, it comes in this outer box. It's a very, very simple unit. The outer box is here. We have a user manual, just gives some settings, etc. on it. We have a lanyard cable here. We have a cable here for connecting it onto our receiver unit, and we have the main event itself, the actual meter. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to grab the lanyard cable, click it in here, and just display how we could just hold it here, so our hands are free and we can just use this as we need. If we come along then, if we look at the base of this meter, we'll see that we have 8 pins here, and if we look at the cable that's to go in here, we'll see there's 8 slots in it. There's a little groove on top which marries just exactly with this groove here. So there's only one way of successfully inserting this, and I'll just show it. Probably a little bit hard to focus in on, but you can see the general effect. In it goes like that. So it's pretty simple. And now what we need to do is, well, we need to measure something. So let's pick a scenario where we have a transmitter that's being broadcast, and we'll say it's 1.5 kilometers away. So we're coming along and we say, well, we have a general idea that the receiver is in this direction. We're after taking a compass reading, something like that. And we'd like to come along and we'd like to set this up. So where exactly should we set it? What angle should we be pointing it at? We're not quite sure. We can take a guess, look at the signal coming through, and then check the signal and see, do we have good levels? Is it working well? But a much better way to do it is using this actual meter here. So I'm just going to take this cover off. And if we look inside here, so these are just held in with 4 Phillips screws. So I've just removed those with a screwdriver. And we'll see on the receiver unit here, there's a slot here that's suitable for the cable that's on the top of this meter now. So what we do is we just insert those 4 pins, we just push them in here. And so, just do this right now, gently. Right, so we just have it inserted here. So it'll actually be taking its power source directly from here. And what we can do then is, we have a little button here, and it allows us on this where we can click on it, but we're taking a reading both in decibels and also in the percentage term, and it's displaying that reading up on this little LED display here, or LCD display here. So what's happening now is, we'll say I'm adjusting it here, and the signal strength percentages will be increasing or decreasing depending on how it's been set up. And obviously this is just a sys. You can try it in a few locations, or if you have got what you think is the ideal location, you can adjust to get maximised percentages in that. I think this is just a great meter, simply because it's a low cost, it's very effective, and it just really takes the guesswork out of the setup on this, and it just maximises the chance to get a setup quickly, and it also minimises the chance that you're going to get a call back because you've subsequently found out that your the setup on it wasn't optimum. So that's it anyway, an overview of the RSSI signal strength meter from CAMSAT.